Okay, so I just got the mouse new cases for the iPhone 14 Pro. So we have the Limitless 5, we have the Clarity, and we have the Mous Evolution. So I'm gonna be comparing this to this cheap case, which is like $1, or sorry, $10. And this is the glass protection from Mous, and this is a glass protection from Spigen. So this big thing is just to mount it right on the screen, which is actually a wonderful thing that I'm going to show you later. But to get started, so we have small kids, so our phones break more than if they were in the military, so we need pretty tough cases basically in our family. So the one I have on my phone now is this one, and I've had mouse cases for 4 or 5 years or so, and I've been very happy with them. The only thing is that they all go in a little bit in the middle here. So whenever you drop your phone, you can bet your ass it's gonna hit this place here. On the newer ones, it seems like it doesn't go in as much as it did before, so maybe it's not an issue because the glass is not sticking out, at least on this case. So this one used to be my daily driver for my iPhone 10 and 11. Of course, the camera bumps on the iPhone 14 have become larger, so it sticks out more. So the cases now need something that sticks out to protect the camera. Now, the most moronic thing I've seen in my life in a long while is this. So you see it's sticking out on two sides, but it's not sticking out on two sides here. So basically when you put the phone on the table, it's standing on the camera holes or camera lenses, which is mind-blowingly stupid. And on the other cases, they've taken away one side, which is I don't understand why they would do that. That's just super duper stupid also. But it's less stupid than this Clarity case, of course. So same with this one, that it's one side missing, but the rest are okay. And if we look at this $10 case, it's pretty shitty quality, but I mean it does the job. Pretty nice keys on it. The worst thing is that it's a bit floppy, so it feels like the phone is gonna fall out anytime. But at least the camera is covered on all 4 sides with this one. So yeah, I don't know what they're thinking about that mouse, but this is a horrible design mistake. And when it comes to screen protections, I've always used Mouse's own, and they're fucking horrible to put on the phone because you have no alignment at all. You just have to sort of throw it on and remove it and try again until you succeed. And this shipment from Mous took 4 weeks to get to me, which is also pretty bad. So in the meanwhile, I had to buy this shitty thing to protect the phone in the meanwhile. And I also bought some Spigen screen protectors. So this entire thing is just to align the screen protector on the phone, and that makes the whole process super easy. So I have one of those mounted on my phone here, and yeah, I mean it's just super aligned. It doesn't look like you have a screen protection even. I'm not sure about how well it's gonna protect the phone in a drop. Doesn't look like it's that wide, but hopefully it will do the job. This is the mouse version, and it doesn't look like it's that much bigger either. So yeah, time will tell. So if we stick this phone in here, you can see here that the camera lenses are sticking out. So when I put it on the desk, it's gonna wobble on the lenses. What were they thinking? So this one, the cheap one, it has things standing out here, and the camera bump, like I said, is on 4 sides. So when you throw it on the floor or whatever, the case is gonna take the hit, not the camera lenses. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put on the Spigen screen protector. So I'm not gonna use mouse anymore, since they're pretty horrible to mount. So you just peel back this one, then you dump in the phone, and then you push down on it, and then you remove this one, and that's it. Perfectly aligned here. Can't even see that it's there, which is pretty awesome. And speaking screen protectors work great with all the mouse cases. So yeah, I mean it's the same cutout for the phone basically. Now the clarity case looks pretty damn cool. Very nice, shiny colors and stuff. But we have that issue with the cameras, that the cameras are gonna take the hit if you drop it in the wrong way. So yeah, that's a bit sad, but it's a pretty sturdy case in all other ways. Sticks out pretty well from the display, so it protects the display well. Even here where it's a bit lower, like all mouse cases. But this is just a no-go thing, that you remove 2 sides around the camera. It's just so stupid. So I'm gonna show you the cheap case also. So this one is pretty easy to put the phone inside, since it's not as rigid as the mouse cases. So it's probably not gonna fall out, but feels like it would be easier for it to fall out. Now of course the design is just horrible with these like things sticking out. I mean they're good from a functionality side, but I'm not a big fan of this look. But it does the job, so if you like this look, then yeah, I think it's an awesome case. Good key feel in the keys, some extra protection in the corners here, and yeah, sticks out in the bottom, and it goes in a little bit here, so probably if you drop it here, it's gonna crack the screen. Now I'm gonna show you my old iPhone 11 that's had a mouse case on it since its birth. Now you can see the chip out the glass here. It's cracked all over the glass. You can't see it, but you hear it when I pull my thumbnail there. So this is what's happened to, I don't know, 20 of these glass protections for me. That you drop it, it hits here where the side goes down on all mouse cases. Now on the old ones, this is limitless 2 or 3 or whatever it was on the iPhone 10. It goes down much further than with the newer mouse cases, which are limitless 5. So probably your screen is much better protected here with the limitless 5. So yeah, so the screen doesn't protrude from the case here. But then again, you have the missing side on the cameras here, which is probably gonna give this lens a whack when you drop it sometime. Yeah, that's it.